Pregnancy is a remarkable journey filled with many changes and new experiences for a woman's body. If you are trying to conceive or think you might be pregnant, it's important to be aware of the early symptoms. Every woman's experience is unique, but there are some common signs and symptoms that your body may exhibit in those first few weeks. I understand this can be an exciting yet nerve wracking time. You may get into overanalyzing every twinge or craving. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. So before we get into the signs and symptoms, we should understand the basics of this to be more practical. Have you ever heard of implantation or implantation bleeding? Okay, so we'll come to the point. First, let me make you understand a bit more clearly. Okay, so every month a woman's body undergoes a cycle which is controlled by the fluctuating hormonal levels. So this monthly cycle is centered around ovulation. It's nothing but the release of matured egg from the ovary. In the first half of the cycle, the hormone estrogen causes the uterine lining to thicken and the egg follicle to develop and mature. Once the follicle is ready, there is a surge of another hormone called luteinizing hormone which triggers ovulation. The release of that egg, that is what called as ovulation. So after ovulation happens, the ruptured follicle closes up and begins to produce another hormone called progesterone. Now this progesterone helps in further preparation of the uterine lining to receive the fertilized egg, if the conception takes place during this fertile window after ovulation. If intercourse happens around the time, the sperm succeeds to fertilize the released egg. And now the incredible process begins. The fertilized egg is now called the zygote. And this will further start to divide into multiple cells, and this travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. By around 5 to 6 days after fertilization, it has become a blastocyst, a ball of hundreds of rapidly dividing cells. Guided by the molecular signals, this blastocyst encounters the progesterone primed uterus lining around day 7. Now the implantation starts. Implantation is when the blastocyst burrows into and embeds itself in the nutrient-rich lining of the uterus, which is called as endometrium. It is that miraculous moment of implantation that the placenta first starts to produce human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, which is also called as HCG. This is the powerful pregnancy hormone that will be detectable on the home pregnancy test within days if the implantation is successful. Implantation bleeding is also easily confused with light spotting before a normal menstrual period. However, the light bleeding occurs around a week or more before an expected period is due. It may indicate implantation. Implantation bleeding is typically very light, like lighter than the normal period. It may look more like light spotting of pink, reddish, brown or brown colored blood. The bleeding is usually not so heavy and it doesn't last for more than a day or two. Some women may just experience spotting for few hours. Not all pregnancy result in implantation bleeding. Estimates suggest that about 20 to 30% of pregnant women may experience this symptom. While implantation bleeding can be an early sign of pregnancy, the only way to confirm this is through a pregnancy test, be it a UPT or a blood test. If you are planning to become pregnant, it's important to know that pregnancy can bring about various symptoms and not all women experience the same signs and symptoms or severity of symptoms. Additionally, some symptoms can overlap with the conditions unrelated to pregnancy. If you suspect you might be pregnant or experiencing some troubling symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor for better evaluation and guidance. That being said, here are some symptoms of pregnancy that you should be aware of. If you have just found that you are pregnant or suspect you might be, get ready for your body to show up with some remarkable changes in coming weeks and months. Every woman's experience is unique, but there are some early signs and symptoms that often appear. One of the most obvious indications is a missed menstrual period. This is typically one of the earliest hints that conception may have occurred. When you miss your period, it's time to take a home pregnancy test. For many women, the journey of early pregnancy can bring in morning sickness. Despite its misleading name, this nausea and vomiting can occur at any time during day or night. You may also start to notice some changes in your breast, like tenderness and darkening of the areolas can occur due to the surging in the hormonal levels. Your moods may also start going on a roller coaster ride with the random bouts of fearfulness and irritability. Now, speaking on these hormones, frequent urination can also become an issue as your body's hormones start to affect your bladder capacity and kidney function. Your taste perception may do a complete 180 with newly developed cravings of certain food or sudden aversion towards the items that you already love. Fatigue is another early symptom as your body starts to work overtime to support your growing baby. You might notice some dizziness or even lightheadedness from changes in your blood pressure and circulation. Digestive issues like constipation or heartburn can also crop up in those first few months. Don't be surprised if you develop a nagging backache or headache. And some women may even experience light spotting or increased vaginal discharge early on. While the first trimester can bring its share of discomforts, try to embrace them as an exciting confirmation that an incredible transformation is underway. Be sure to mention any concerning symptoms with your doctor. Now let's discuss on some of the frequently asked questions. What are the reliable tests for pregnancy? So, one can go with UPT, urine pregnancy test at home, or a blood test where HCG levels are checked, and in some cases, doctor can perform an early ultrasound to confirm on pregnancy. Though feeling these symptoms can look promising, it's always better to go for some reliable test to confirm. Now, this is a tricky question that many women get confused. What if I get a faint positive line? A faint positive result may likely indicate that you are pregnant, though the levels are on the lower side. Repeating the test after a day or two, or even more, can confirm the probability of getting pregnant. Another question goes like this. I had a negative test result but no period yet. Am I still pregnant? Is there any possibility? So, it's possible to get a negative result if tested too early before the implantation occurred and the HCG rose to the detectable level. Waiting for a week and retesting is recommended in such cases. Now, there is another question asked like, do symptoms like nausea always mean I'm pregnant? Not necessarily. Many women experience pregnancy-like symptoms at times, but there could be other reasons as well. So, taking a pregnancy test will answer all these questions. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advices. Remember, your support helps us create more content like this. If you would like to know more on this topic, you can definitely write in the comment section. Stay healthy and take care.